You ever get that feeling where your iPhone is hiding secrets from you? Like it's part of some underground Apple cult? 1. The phantom control screen. You know that little green dot that shows up near the dynamic island when your camera's on? Yeah. Turns out that dot has a hidden control panel. Swipe down into the control center while a recording app is active, like Instagram or Riverside. And boom. You'll see options to tweak portrait mode, toggle studio light, and even adjust depth blur live. Audio settings? Chef's kiss. Choose from voice isolation to cut background noise, or wide spectrum to pick up every pin drop like a podcast mic. And nope, this doesn't work in the stock camera app. Classic Apple mystery move. Second screenshot, shortcut sorcery. Let's be honest. Screenshots are the new receipts. But if you're still tapping, expanding, marking up, and then sharing, you're living in 2017. Try this instead. Tap and hold the screenshot preview and the share sheet flies in like magic. No middle screens, no markup. Straight to action. Want your old school magnifier back in markups? Apple sneakily removed it. But here's the workaround. Save the screenshot. Open in Apple Books. Tap markup, tap plus icon, and boom. Magnifier is back, complete with zoom, border, and rotation options. Yes, Apple buried it that deep. 3. Scan text. Anywhere you type. You know you're in 2025 when your iPhone can read street signs and drop the text right into your Notes app. Anywhere you can type. Notes, Messages, Safari search bars, tap the cursor, then choose Scan Text. Point your camera at any printed text. Boom. OCR magic. Text instantly appears where your cursor is. It's like your iPhone turned into a mini Terminator. For homework. 4th audio message add-on. Ever record a voice message and think, dang, I forgot the punchline? Well, now you can pause, add, and even stack audio like you're making an iPhone podcast. Just hit the plus icon next to your voice message duration and continue recording. Pro tip? iOS 18 now transcribes voice messages. So even your lazy friends who never listen can now read your dramatic monologue. 5. Battery widget ninja moves. Your lock screen doesn't have to be just pretty. It can be tactical. Add the battery widget, but don't stop there. Tap it again while editing and manually choose whether you want to monitor your iPhone, Apple Watch, or AirPods. 6. Tab group mastery in Safari. Safari tabs are like socks. They multiply mysteriously and disappear just as fast. But here's the fix. Create a tab group, then tap and hold one tab, start dragging, and this is key. Tap more tabs while still holding the first. They'll all stack together like app icons. Then drop them into your custom group. Goodbye. 187 open tabs about most beautiful bird in the world. Hello, organization. 7. Dynamic Island X Lock Launcher. Let's kick things off with the Dynamic Island. Apple's not-so-little multitasking blob. Download Lock Launcher and boom. You can pin your favorite apps right into the island. Imagine tapping your lock screen and instantly launching Instagram or Notes without even unlocking. It's like having your shortcuts live on an island, minus the tan lines. 8. Pixel Pals. Meet Pixel Pals. It's like a Tamagotchi, but for your island. You can feed your pixelated pet, walk them, and keep them alive. Unlike the 2003 version where they died a brutal digital death if ignored for a day. Keep this one fed, or face adorable guilt. 9. Turn notes into instant PDFs. No third-party app needed. Open any note in the Notes app. Tap the share icon, scroll down, and tap markup. Now hit done and choose. Save file too. You'll see it saved as a full-fledged PDF. No need for Adobe or extra apps. Perfect for sending class notes, receipts, or cheat sheets instantly as a professional-looking PDF 10 iPhone as a real-time audio amplifier. Live listen. Slide down Control Center, tap plus icon, and add hearing. Now connect AirPods. Open Control Center and tap ear icon. Finally, turn Live Listen on. Place your iPhone near someone talking. your iPhone becomes a mini mic, perfect for lectures, eavesdropping, ethically, or hearing distant conversations in noisy environments. 11th, scan any document with your iPhone camera, hidden in Notes. To access it, open Notes, tap camera icon, and choose Scan Documents. Align the document. iPhone will auto-detect edges, straighten it, and save as a scanned copy. Bonus, you can annotate it using markup before saving or sharing. 12, close all Safari tabs in one tap. Still closing tabs one by one? Amateur hour. Tap and hold that little icon in the bottom right corner of Safari and hit Close All Tabs. It's like a detox for your browser. Clean slate unlocked. 13, calculator. Now has a brain. You do the math, then forget it 5 seconds later. Well, the calculator app now has a history log. Just tap the menu icon in the top left. Boom. Your old equations live there forever. Yes, even that late-night calculation of how much to tip if dinner costs $87.43. 14th, download queue control. Restoring from iCloud and 20 apps are downloading at once? Tap and hold any downloading app. Hit Prioritize Download. And that app zooms to the front of the line like a VIP. Because TikTok waits for no one. 15, copy and delete in one tap after screenshot. After taking a screenshot, most people tap to open it or save it to Photos. But there's a stealthy option for power users. Take a screenshot, tap the preview, don't hold. In the top left, and tap Done. Now choose Copy and Delete. This copies the image to your clipboard and deletes it from your device. Perfect for pasting directly into Messages, Notes, or an email. Keeping your Photos app clean. Sending screenshots without clutter buildup. So yeah, I've been using an iPhone for years and somehow just discovered all this. Also, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe AeireinTech.